Hi, welcome to Partner Engineering V&V Lab. We are a team of around 70 experienced test professionals, and of course, a terrific test facility. The test facility that is called a state-of-the-art test facility with the most advanced test equipments all under one roof, and equipped with the expertise of the people that spans around the gamut of Schneider products. The Schneider products that solve some of the toughest customer problems around the globe, and while improving the green footprint. Uh, the test facility has recently been accredited for ASTA certifications of level 2, and soon we will be heading towards NABL accreditations by beginning Q4 2014. Once we have both these accreditations in place, we will be able to release a test report that is accepted across the globe. Uh, some of the questions that primarily come to my mind is why testing is so important. Uh, as I actually look at it, in a product development life cycle, you have the most critical phases. The first phase comes when the idea is conceived, and the second phase is while we actually validate the product, which is actually flourished throughout the process, right from the seed of the idea to making it a real life goods. The quality of the product, the quality which is with which the customer is satisfied, customer is happy, and it solves all the problems, is the utmost important while we actually deliver our commitments to the market, and that is actually validated, ensured, and confirmed by V&V Test Lab. With V&V Test Lab is available internally as well as externally. When it comes to partners using the test lab, I would recommend it to the maximum extent, because of the ability to provide flexible scheduling, niche test and measurement equipments, and ability to perform iterations of test cycles. Iterations which are very important when we actually go through a development life cycle, making the designs reach the maturity, making the designs which are compliant for various standards, designs which ensure design for manufacturability, design for testing, as well as design for reliability. All these various types of requirements, they require number of iterations to be performed. Now, while we actually think of using external lab facilities, the amount of time, the flexible schedules, and obviously the cost is not it cannot be matched with what we have in house. Here, the cost is the most optimized. We have highly experienced test professionals to support the design teams, as well as many times we need iterations to be performed. Right, it is possible. The lab facility is available across the clock, and the people are most supportive. So I would recommend use V&V lab facility that is available not only for the partners within the Schneider, but soon we will be going for to lend it to the external customers also. The test reports that are released by V&V lab are acceptable globally, primarily because of ASTA as well as NABL accreditation. But moreover, the ASTA accreditations facilitate selling of the products in a Gulf market. So all in all, it's everything available under one roof with appropriate records, appropriate results, appropriate reports, and obviously the traceability, ability to monitor the taste by the customer themselves. So there are too many things coming up, which can be actually leveraged on and used to the maximum extent. Thank you.